what is this? While I'm doing this, what if the character can talk? It created it. Well, I thought it created it. This is what it did. I started uploading a few of my logos, ask it to, give it a little bit more color. Came across this image and I thought, what is this? I've been seeing these images come through on my wall a few times. I just wanted to know what was going on. So I took a screenshot of this, as you can see. Then I went to my Kling AI agent to figure out what's going on. This is the conversation that followed. Uploaded it to ChatGPT and I asked it, what is this image about? As soon as I did that, it started giving me some information saying, this is what you are looking at on this image. Unfortunately, that's not what I wanted. I wanted to see what this debate is about, so I started asking the right questions. With AI, it's always the case about asking the right questions. It might be smart, but not smart enough. It can't read your mind, because if you look at it, if I said, what is this image about? It would start explaining to me what it can see. But then I started asking the right questions and it started giving me the right answers, which is fantastic. After a little while, I also figured out, the AI engine figured out that I am trying to recreate this, and it asked me if I want to do with it. I said, yes, please, let's start recreating one for Digifix. As soon as I did that, it told me I need some of this information from you. So there you go. I uploaded a picture from my phone straight away and asked it to do the work. The first iteration, as you can see, is not the best. It tried to do it as best as it could. I didn't like how I looked on this image, so I wanted it to change a few things. Unfortunately, the second edition wasn't getting any better. I was looking even more chubbier. But I did not stop there. I started uploading a few of my logos, ask it to give it a little bit more color and branding, and wanted it to recreate the image again. This time it got most of it right, apart from the logo. The logo has a extra F. I don't know how it came about. Then I said the logo is wrong, can you recreate it back again? It gave me this, which I thought was fantastic. It looked really good, apart from the fact it added a logo that I have no idea about. So, and also I wanted to keep into the aesthetics of the other one that I did. So I said, let's recreate that again. So here we are. This is the correct image that it did. It does have a couple of logos that I don't know about, but I quite liked it. And I also thought, I'm not going to waste too much time trying to do this. I just want to get something very quickly. And here we are. I got this image. So after posting that, I wasn't feeling content enough. I thought, let's animate this. What do? I brought this to Kling. I opened up my Kling, went to image to video, uploaded that image in here, and gave it a couple of prompts. So I want to show you from the very first prompt. The very first prompt that I created said, I want the guy in the image to walk out of the box by sorry, that's the last one. Let's go to the first one. I said, I would like this human in this image to walk out of the box. I would like the camera angle to pan towards the left and show him walk into an office. And it created it. Well, I thought it created it. This is what it did. See, I didn't give it the right instructions, and it also took everything I said literally, and that is got what I wanted. I tried it the second time. I thought, while I'm doing this, what if the character can talk? I haven't used Kling for a long time, so I've actually forgotten that it can't do really well voiceovers, and the voiceover wasn't good, and the email wasn't really, keeping up. So I thought, nah, let's try it again. Here we go. So this one, I tried it, and I tried to put some AI generated voice, which wasn't really good either. So then I tried this one. I said, I want the guy to pick up the AI logo that is placed over his right shoulder, which I thought was this. But it started doing this, and I didn't like it. So I thought, hold on, let me just stop all of that jargon. Let's just keep it simple, because my whole idea was I want to try and do this as quickly as possible. I don't want to spend more than half an hour doing it, because it's all new to me. I want to try and get this done quickly and get it out. And here we are. This is the last iteration of it. I said, this is the prompt that I put. I want the guy in the image to walk out of the box by opening the front cover and moving it, make it look graceful and elegant. Now, it completely forgot that there is a lid. I was hoping that it'll understand that it's a transparent lid, that it's covering it. But you know what? The video was good enough. I thought, let's force this, and here we are. Now, if I had spent a few more minutes trying to do this, or tweaking the prompt, giving it a little bit more details, I'm sure I would have gotten to a better spot and a little bit better video. But again, the idea was I wanted to churn this out as fast as possible. So and I've also wanted to show you guys how I did it while I was doing it. So here it is. Leave your comments. Let's find out what you think about it. Thanks for watching. Check out our channel to learn more awesome AI features. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you never miss our future updates.